Hi guys, I hope you're good since last video. Checker houses have updated the website. Now you get the access directly to the community. Checker Studio, which is here, and Node Code, which is here, available AI agent, pluggable to any AI agent workflow. It's on, just visit it. Let's jump into the meat of the video. We're gonna watch some different sequences of Seedance 2.0.
Mr. Bean, this key is impenetrable. But when the cascade reaches critical mass,
So we can see that the bikes, the way they're running through the city,
the singularity forms.
doesn't look
There is no
very
turning back.
amazing, but the video itself and the details are very close to Hollywood production. So very
Concern
soon,
yourself only with what you can control.
those actors will be just giving their pictures. Here we get my two students. Amazing. The face on the right side is not perfect, but they learned the lesson well. The next one will be a video, an anime enhancement. You can see that it was enhanced. The drawing was better, and here also it's a story written in a notebook. So what is good with a notebook is that you can on the spot write something and show it to the AI. That's why in Checker houses we're selling notebook, that's the main product. And here you can see the creativity turning into a video. Okay, so it's gonna be, let's see. Nice interpretation by the AI. Here we have the old and the new, Deadpool and Darth Vader.
Not bad for a rusty bucket. Wow, that's a real lightsaber? Okay, this is gonna be fun.
Okay, I'm more old school. I prefer Darth Vader. And here, an amazing masterpiece. Free Ren, if you know it. The drawings are amazing. The environment and the atmosphere is also amazing. Here she's reading Jujutsu Kaisen, but we can tell that Jujutsu Kaisen books are AI, but her tone, her voice is perfect.
まあ悪くない。現代の娯楽も時には面白い。まあ悪くない。
Amazing. And here we can see the Japanese Yankees, which are like the badass people. Yes, I got more experience than you guys. And now we can navigate a bit the website of Seedance 2.0. We're not gonna go through the publications, but on the top here you can see blogs and publication, and you'll be able to read about those benchmarks, the details. Okay, so now immersive audio visuals, ASMR. And the little pizza.
There you go, fresh from the
Thanks. And now we go for the creative side. video plus images, and you get the result on the top. Pretty amazing. Here we got a nice decor, perfect for chicken houses. I'll be interested in using such a thing. I have a product that I've designed, a canvas. Really looks like the ones that they're using here. You see? And this one also is pretty amazing. Looks real. You can't tell it's an AI. Who made that? So I didn't want to look at benchmarks, but looking at those, using those charts, it's easy to understand. So we can see here that Seedance 2.0 is ranking at the top in motion quality, video prompts following, aesthetics, audio expressiveness, audio-visual sync, and audio prompt following. But Kling 3.0 is also pretty amazing. Image to video evaluation, and after we have the multimodal task evaluation. And here just we are always going to Shibuya, so this is Shibuya. On the right side you can see this building, it's very nice, Tsutaya, but the rest topography is not perfect. I mean, it's not like the real one, but we can see the motion is amazing. And here look at the audience. Isn't that amazing? Okay, hope that you liked this video. See you next time.